What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to the Freetrepreneurs channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step, I mean in depth, how to grow a successful meme page on Instagram, have millions of followers or hundreds of thousands of followers, and actually monetize your meme page. That means making money out of your meme page. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your meme page, what type of profile pictures to put, and what accounts to repost meme page from. So I'm going to show you the different types of meme pages and also one specific tool that you can use to automate your meme page in such a way that you gain followers in your sleep. Now, the first thing you need to know, there are three types of meme page that you need to know about. There's like the edgy type of meme page, which is really like about posting edgy content, which I wouldn't really recommend. There's like the normal type of meme page, which really gains a lot of success. But also there's like the girly type of meme page. Now, why should you even start a meme page? It's because if you look at this account, 6 million followers, 14 million followers that count, Jerry, 15 million followers. These people are making millions out of their meme pages. They have managed to create successful meme page that engages a lot of people, millions of people, and therefore they're able to monetize. They're able to send people to pages like Amazon, where they're able to monetize their audience, or they're able to send them in a network distribution like joint.com.tv, which probably you're going to have a link to buy something, and therefore they will be making money. Now, so they're making millions out of their audience. So this is not, if you want to grow a meme page just for fun or recognition, that's fine. But in this channel, I cover everything that can help you make more money online. That means whether it's Instagram growth tips, Facebook growth tips, e-commerce, dropshipping, blogging, SEO. I have tried all of them, and if you can see, if you look at my account, I have grown several pages like lions.royal, which for example has about 147,000 followers in a year right now. So that's the reason why you should listen to me, because I have grown several pages on Instagram and I know what I talk about. Now, number one, if you want to grow a meme page, there are several things that you need to take into account. Your profile picture. That's what a lot of people don't take into account seriously. You know, in a lot of meme pages, they post a lot of laughing emojis, which are not really interesting because it's too generic. Like, you have too many accounts around the web post like having a laughing emoji as profile picture. So you want to find something unique. So how do you find something unique? Let's say, for example, your name on, I don't know, on your meme page is about, you know, you don't have, for example, meme is about like mouse lick or cat bite. Like, you want to come on Google clip art, right? You go on Google, you type Google clip art, and about the first or the second result, you open this clipartlibrary.com and you just type what you want here. You type, for example, cat, right? Cat clip art. Here you'll have images for non-commercial use. You have these cat images, for example, that you can use. Let's say, for example, it's salad eaten. Maybe you come here, you type, for example, salad, right? Salad, right? What you will have, you have a bunch of salad images that you can use as well. Like, for example, you can download this one, right? What you click on the image, you click on this image, for example, it will open that on a new page. You just come here, you click on download. After that, after you've downloaded that, right, you download that, and then you just come back on your page, right? You click on edit profile, and then you change your profile picture. You upload that picture right there, and then boom, you have an interesting profile picture which people will probably follow once they visit your account. Now, the second thing you need to take into account is the username, right? You have different people having different types of usernames. Now, if you take, for example, a famous account like Memezar, right? It has the name meme on it. Other pages don't have meme on it, but it has something. It's just two simple words that you take together and you paste them together, which in a creative way, which is easy to remember, right? So for example, you have beige cardigan, you have Insta single, like those are meme pages. Like if you just put on this button, it will give you other related pages which wasted, hoodville, drunk. So you don't necessarily have to have the word meme there, but having the word meme helps, because when people will search on Instagram, they will search the word meme, and then your name is most likely to pop up first, you know, if you have the name meme there. Now, the third thing you need to take into account is the type of content you want to post, and this is where the automated tool that I'm going to show you, again, smash the like button and subscribe if this really helps, right? Smash like button and subscribe now, because the tool that I'm about to show you will help you grow meme pages completely on automation and while you're sleeping. Now, the third thing you need to take into account, as I mentioned, is the type of content you're reposting, right? And then remember that if you're not creating your meme and you're reposting, you want to make sure you give credit, right? But the problem is that if you look at a lot of meme pages which have millions of followers, they have posted about more than 10,000 posts, or maybe more than 5,000 posts. If you want to post them manually, it will take you years and years and years and years, right, to be able to have even 1 million followers. Wow. Now, the benefit is that you can use automation tool to basically repost content from normal meme pages, for example, on your meme page and give credit. Now, how does it work? Now, before it works, I want to warn you, okay? Just make sure you don't post the edgy type of content, because if you look at this article, for example, there was a kid that was making about $4,000 a month reposting meme on his Instagram pages, but Instagram has purged a lot of Instagram meme pages, which, for example, if they believe didn't follow the Instagram guideline, which were tightened, they were just deleted completely. So, for example, you have God, which doesn't exist anymore, Society Feeling, Deep Comedy Slam. All those pages have been deleted by Instagram, and which were making a lot of money per year with millions of followers. Now, if you're starting a meme page, I want you to understand that you have to be careful about the type of meme you're posting. So you want to make sure you post content from pages that are not edgy or that will not get deleted, because if they get deleted, your account will also get deleted. So how do you actually repost other pages memes on automation and actually give them credit? Now, this is the most important part of this video, which is the tool that I'm going to show you. It's called Social Rabbit. What Social Rabbit does is that it has a function. One function, you can promote Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter platform directly from here, but I'm going to focus on Instagram meme. Let's say, for example, you've created your meme page like this one, Memezar, and as you can see, I started this page just about 3 days ago or 4 days ago, something like that. And you can see the reach already, which is completely on automation. If you look at this, 263 views. This one has about 1,500 views and 13 comments, just completely on automation. I wasn't even aware that it was reposted, because I put the work up front and I let it grow. Now, the tool that I told you about is called Social Rabbit. What it does is that if you come here on the function grabber, you need a website, you need a WordPress website to install this plugin on it. Now, once you install the plugin, it has a function called grabber, right? With the grabber, you can specify usernames, for example, that you want to grab the post from and repost on your page. Now you want to be careful about your caption and your description, right? Or your description. For example, here I randomly ask to pick among each of these like emojis, and then you repost the full text of the post. And then because you also need people to follow you, so you need to put that follow dot at your username, because if people like this picture, like one picture that's reposted, they're most likely to click on your username and check out other posts on your profile page. So make sure you put follow at meme, I don't know, whatever your username is, for daily memes and comedy, and then you put in emoji, for example, here. And now you also want to add that here again for the people that will click on read more, and then they will see that they can follow you as well. Now you want to give credit. It's important to give credit to the person. Like if you look at the account, like they have been under a lot of fires like in the past, because they reposted a lot of meme pages, a lot of meme photos, but they didn't give credit, so a lot of people like came after them. So you want to make sure you give credits to people. A way to do that is just to add user, and then the last thing you want to care about is your hashtag. Two ways: you can add the hashtag directly to your post, or you can add that in the comment section after you reposted, after you already reposted the picture, right? So it's very important. Now let me show you an example. If you look at this meme page that I created, you see it completely. If I refresh it, you will see how it will work. Now you see this is the last picture that was reposted. I am going to show you exactly how it works. So every 2 hours, how many hours I specify, every 2 hours that I specify, you can specify after 24 hours, which will just repost one post every time. But every 2 hours, for example, you can say every 2 hours, go around one of these accounts and grab one of the posts, their most popular and recent posts, because you want to make sure you post only recent meme posts, because if you post memes from like a year ago, it will not have so much reach and go to the explore page than if you post recent meme. And so what the grabber does is that it goes into one of these accounts randomly and pick the most recent and the most popular meme and repost that on your account, giving credit. Now what you want to do, for example, if you see it posted about 42 minutes ago, and then now it's about to post in an hour, but you can even, I'm going to show you, if I click here on execute, it will execute right now, right? If I again, it didn't find a post, but you know, if I click here again, it will find a post in one of these accounts. You will find a post in one of this account and you will repost, and then you will see exactly how that works. You see, you already posted something from this account F Jerry, and so if you come back on my post and I refresh it, you will see exactly that I did not have to post myself. It posted something from, you see, you already have one like right away, completely on automation. You see, it already has one like. It means that the page is really growing. 31 second one like for a page that was created about 3 days ago or 4 days ago, right? You see how it's structured, the emoji, the caption, the follow me, and then the username of the person. Okay, you want to make sure you give credit, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. Again, it's really easy today, and it's completely on automation. And the beauty about it is that you can even put something like an affiliate link down below here as the link for your website, right? So if you apply for an affiliate link on like ClickBank, for example, you can just get that affiliate link and then come here and post that. If you have a YouTube channel, you can put your YouTube channel down here. Whatever website you have, you can put that there. And then as it is growing, a lot of people will come and visit your website. They will check out your profile, they will follow you, and they will check, and they will just, you know, you will grow. And so this is what I want to show you. If you think this is helpful, make sure you smash the like button, you smash the subscribe, and until next time, take care. Bye.